Assalamu alaikum students. I'm here to take your English class. But first of all, I will repeat the instructions which I really gave you, that is using the mask when you are going outside, washing your hands again and again, and sanitizing your hands as well. So let's start our today's work with the name of Allah. Say with me, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful. शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो नहायत मेहरबान रहम वाला है. रब्बे ज़िदनी इल्मा. आमीन. Today we will do the work of English pre-primary book. So open your books at page number 6. As you know, the small and the capital letters, and I have written these for you in the notebook. Here are some capital letters. You can recall all these with me. So let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. And one more thing, that all our names are started from the capital letter. Whenever we write our name with the capital letter. So over the book, page number 6, the exercise which is given, here are some names, and we have to identify the names, and we have to see that which letter is coming before and after in the alphabets. Now there is a conversation between these boys and girls, and they are asking each other some of the questions. For example, the first question is asked by a boy to the girl, that which letters comes after A. A के बाद में कौन सा letter आता है. So look at the notebook where I have written all the alphabets. You can see that there is B after A. So what you will do, you will write over here B. The next question is asked by the girl to the boy, that which letter comes after J. So have a look at the alphabets over the notebook J. So we have find the J, and the question is which letter comes after J. So you can see that K is coming after the J. So here you will write K. Now come to the next question, which is number 3, that which letter comes before N. Before mean pehle. So we will see where the N is. Now we have find out the N. So you can see that M is coming before the N. So we will write here M. Next, the girl is asking to the boy that which letter comes before Q. So you can see that which letter is coming before Q. It's P. So write here P. The next, the boy is asking to the girl that which letter comes before H and J. Between mean दरमियान. H और J के दरमियान में कौन सा letter आ रहा है? That is I. So write here I. The next is which is the last letter of the alphabet. Alphabets जो हैं उनका last letter कौन सा है? So if we see the alphabets written over the notebook. Here the Z is the last letter of the alphabet. So this is the book work. Now open your notebooks which are being get ready by your teachers. So this is your English notebook. Open it up. The first work which is given by your teacher is to write small and capital alphabets. So what you will do, you will write by your own the small and the capital letters over this page. Now today's work, that is page number 7. So let's do this first, then we will open the Phonic is Fun. So this page, here we can see that some names are given. Can you spell these names with me? The first one is Amna. Amna. If you follow the sound Amna, Amna. And the next is Zia. Zia. The next is Bilal. Bilal. So what you have to do while spelling these names, you should follow the sounds and you should then read these names. I will read this for you quickly from the very start. So put your fingers over the first name. This is Amna. The next is Zia. The next is Bilal. The next is Maryam. Then Junaid. Then Farhan. Then Veena. Then Irfan. Then Saman. Then Parvez. So I will repeat these again for you. The first is Amana. Then Zia. Then Bilal. Then Maryam. Then Junaid. Then Farhan. Then Veena. Then Irfan. Then Saman. Then Parvez. मैंने इसको स्लोली तोड़ के इसलिए स्पेल किया है या प्रोनाउंस किया है so you can identify the sounds, and when you will quickly mix up these sounds, so it will be the proper pronunciation of that word. Now I will quickly repeat these words again, these names, so follow me. The first is Amina, then Zia, then Bilal, then Maryam, then Junaid, then Farhan, then Veena, then Irfan, then Saman, and then Parvez. So this is the way how you will start your reading and identifying the sounds. So the question about this page is to put these names into the alphabetical orders. As I have already told you in this lecture that we always start the names with the capital letters. You can see that all the names are starting from the capital letters. So whenever you will write your name, keep it in your mind that you will start it with a capital letter. Now what we have to do, we have to find the order of these names by keeping in view the alphabets in our mind. हमें अपने ज़हन में कैपिटल लेटर्स को, उनकी तरतीब को ज़हन में रखना है और देखना है कि पहला नाम कब आ रहा है और दूसरा अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में कब आ रहा है. तो हम पहले देखते हैं और उसके लिए हमें अल्फ़ाबेट्स की तरतीब को, ऑर्डर को अपने ज़हन में रखना है. लेट्स सी एट द नोटबुक where we have written all the alphabets in the proper order. Now what we will do, we will check the name and we will find the order in the alphabets given over the notebook, because for kids it's really difficult to keep all the alphabets quickly in the mind to give them the alphabetical order. So that's why I have written for you on the notebook. The first name is Amina, and you know that A is the first letter in the alphabet. So we will write here number 1, that in alphabets Amina name will come first. The next is Bilal, and you know also that the second letter in the alphabet is B. So Bilal is the second name in the alphabetical order. Then we can see Junaid. But you know that there are so many other names which are from the alphabets. So how you will find the order? So first we will look at the alphabets and then we will follow the names. पहले हम alphabets चेक करेंगे और फिर हम names को चेक करेंगे. अब A और B से तो हमारे letters या names हमें मिल गए हैं. We will see, is there any name with C? No. Then we will check, is there any name with D? No. Now come to the next letter, that is E. Is there any name with E? Now check F. Is there any name with F? Yes, we have Farhan. So we have find out the 2 names already. So it will be the third one. Now we will see or check, is there any name with G? No. The next letter H. Is there any name with starting with H? No. Then I. Is there any name with I? Yes, there is, and which is Arfan. So we have already find it out 1, 2 and 3 number. So the Arfan will be the 4th one. Now come to the next letter, that is J. Is there any name with J? Yes, there is Junaid, and it will be our 5th founding. Now come to the next letter, which is K. Is there any name with K? Is there any name with L? Is there any name with M? Yes. Where is it? It's Mariam. So we have already found it out. The 5 names, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and it will be our 6th founding. So we will write here 6. Come to the next, that is N, and the next is O, and the next is P. Yes, our 7th founding is P for Parvez. Now come to the next, which is Q. We don't have any name with Q. Then R. Is there any name with R? Then check, is there any name with S? Yes, the 8th name which we have found it in the alphabets, that is Saman. Now come to the next, T. Is there any name with T? Is there any name with U? With V? Yes, we have a name with V. So this is the 9th name which we have find it in our alphabets. The next is W. Is there any name with W? X, Y, Z. Yes, we have Zia, which is our last finding and the 10th one. So by this way you will find out the alphabetical orders of some of the words. Here we have given the names. So we will first look to the alphabets and then we will put them into the order. This is our today's work from the book. Now come to your book of Phonic is Fun reading. So you have opened your books, Phonic is Fun, and our today's lesson is about page number 5. But before that, पेरेंट्स की कन्वीनियंस के लिए आई विल गाइड कि अगर आप पेजेस को फॉलो करें तो पेज नंबर 4 के ऊपर कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शंस दी गई हैं. वो क्या हैं? द लॉन्ग ए साउंड एज इन केज, हे, रेन, यानी कि ए की लंबी आवाज़ें. उन आवाज़ों को हाईलाइट करने के लिए उनको रेड कलर में शो किया गया है. अगर आप पेज के बॉटम पे देखें तो 2 कलर में प्रिंटिंग की गई है. एक ब्लैक है और एक रेड है। जहाँ जहाँ रेड कलर शो हो रहा है इट मीन्स आपने एक ही आवाज़ को लंबा करना है। मेन टारगेट हमारा वो तमाम वर्ड्स हैं जो कि रेड कलर में हैं, रेड एंड ब्लैक कलर में हैं। अगर बाकी बच्चों को वर्ड्स पढ़ते हुए कोई मुश्किल आती है तो आप उसको छोड़ सकते हैं, उस पर हमारा एंटायर फोकस नहीं होना चाहिए। हमारा एंटायर फोकस उन वर्ड्स पर है जो कि रेड कलर में दिए गए हैं और इंस्ट्रक्शंस को फॉलो करते हुए हमें उन्हें पढ़ाना है। अगर आप नेक्स्ट के पेजेस को टर्न करें यू विल फाइंड दैट पेज नंबर 5, पेज नंबर 6, पेज नंबर 7, पेज नंबर 8 एंड पेज नंबर 9। ये तमाम पेजेस जो पेज नंबर 4 पे इंस्ट्रक्शन दी गई है कि लॉन्ग ए साउंड, उसको जहन में रखते हुए पढ़ाए जाएंगे। उसके बाद अगर आप पेज नंबर 10 पर आएँ तो पेरेंट्स की कन्वीनियंस के लिए हम ये बताते जाएं कि पेज नंबर 10 टू ऑनवर्ड पेज नंबर 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 तक जितने भी लाइंस हैं या रीडिंग पोर्शन है इसमें एक ही शॉर्ट साउंड को फोकस किया गया है, यानी हमें बच्चों को एक ही शॉर्ट साउंड क्लियर करवानी है और हमारा प्राइम फोकस जो है वो उन वर्ड्स पर रहेगा जिनके अंदर रेड कलर में ए को हाईलाइट किया गया है। अब चलते हैं हमारे आज के लेसन की तरफ। स्टूडेंट्स कम टू द पेज नंबर 5। Here a picture is given where we can see a mom, a boy and a girl. And mom has baked a cake. Let's see what is written at the bottom of the page. पेज के एंड पर क्या लिखा गया है। First look at the words which are having the red color letters. The first word is B-A-K-E-D. B-A-K-E-D. Baked. L-A-R-G-E. Large. C-A-K-E. Cake. Baked large cake. You have noticed while speaking these words or spelling these words मैंने एक ही साउंड को लंबा किया है। तो अब मेरे साथ सब पढ़ें। baked large cake. So now we read the whole line. H-E-R her, M-O-M mom, H-A-S has, B-A-K-E-D baked, L-A-R-G-E large, C-A-K-E cake. Her mom has baked a large cake. Her mom has baked a large cake. Her mom has baked a large cake. What you have to do, you have to practice these words but make it sure that we will extend or we will make the A sound longer than rest of the words. This is your today's work. I hope that you will find it interesting. So goodbye.